dwarf planet, the sun.
Hi friends, we are at Indian subcontinent's largest science city in Kolkata. Here it is. This is the main auditorium. We will go inside now. There's a nice parking facility. It takes just 60 rupees. Now we will be heading to get the tickets. Isn't it beautiful?
I can't even understand what is happening.
It's the kinetic energy of the water. That's what it is. ভীষণ ভালো লাগছে, বাচ্চারা খুব এনজয় করছে। Guys, you should not miss this place once you are in Kolkata. Entry is 60 rupees per person, 3 years and above. And for the rest of the things, SpaceTheatre 2D, Science on a Sphere, 3D show. 3D show is stopped because of the COVID. Road train, ropeway, time machine. These are all valid things right now. Our mask is compulsory. We are inside Science City. Ropeways আছে, খুব সুন্দর ভিউ পাওয়া যাবে আর lots of flowers. এই সময়টা prime time in India. March is beautiful time in Kolkata. Birds. সায়েন্স অন আ স্ফিয়ার, এটা 12:30টায় ফিক্সড টাইম। আর তারপরে আমরা যাচ্ছি স্পেস থিয়েটার, যেটা 1টায় ফিক্সড টাইম। Now we are going to the SpaceTheatre. SpaceTheatre, Space Odyssey. We have a ticket from 1 PM, right? India in space. It has got lots of information about the progress that ISRO has made in space research. আমরা এখন স্পেস থিয়েটার এর লাইনে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি। Australia's Great Wild North, that is the theme of the show in Hindi or English or Bangla. The SpaceTheatre was amazing. Now it's time for time machine. Yes. Basically a motion simulator which kind of coordinates the things that are going on inside, and this is how it looks. চলে তাড়াতাড়ি সায়েন্স সিটি এক্সপ্রেস। Road Express. Whoa! Okay guys, so now we are going to the food court. অনেকক্ষণ হয়েছে, একটু এবার লাঞ্চ করা যাক। কর্নারে কুপন আছে, কাটতে হবে। And you have specific 3 sections. One is for South Indian, one is for Chinese, and the other is for Mughlai. আমরা এখন রোপওয়েতে যাচ্ছি। You can see the Ma flyover. And the maze. খুব সুন্দর, এরিয়াল ভিউটা খুবই সুন্দর। pretty darn good. Science City আর ITC সোনার বাংলা, এটা অ্যাটমসফিয়ার। Guys, how did you like the Science City in Kolkata?
It was great. It was very great.
Wonderful.
And also please subscribe.
So guys, don't let them down. Do subscribe to Notes of Travel for more contents like this.